pandemic situation on consumer in past 12-15 months? And how do you foresee the situation in coming 6 months down the line?
I guess from an Indian scenario, what we were seeing was that, there was a regular grind we all were stuck in. Monday to Saturday working, and in India, you also work on Saturday. So Monday to Saturday working, you get one weekend, you go on, watch a movie. And that drill was going on for years, in fact, decades. And, people were just running and, trying to score the urgent things. And there was not too much of focus on the important things. And I feel that the important things are more important than the urgent things. And urgent things which are, very urgent are not generally a long-term goals. The pandemic came and everything stopped, and it was like somebody slapped you and you put you down in a corner, and that's what exactly started happening. And that's when you realize that there's so much more you can do with the marketing, with cinemas, with films, and even consumers. How they are reacting to the OTT platforms and everything. So I guess the whole pandemic has made us sit down. We were running so fast for decades, and suddenly we sat down and we started noticing a lot of things. There's a lot of change which has happened. The digital revolution get enhanced post the pandemic because of we pondering through everything. The infrastructure is growing. The appetite for content and entertainment is growing. So all those things are going to impact us in a good way post pandemic, and I think there's a time when that change is happening.
That's right. There is a huge shift in the mindset.
You have experienced almost 2 decades in the marketing industry. So according to your observation, what has changed when you started your career and with the today's time?
So I guess I work in an entertainment industry which works on myths, and marketing also works on a lot of myths. So what I've noticed is that there was a time when people used to adapt this strategy called spray and pray, and they used to spray all marketing activities all over, whether it was outdoor, whether it was newspaper, whether it was radio things, or theatrical publicity, or all kinds of stuff which were more physical. Where there was a lot of expense, not just in buying media, but also, creating stuff like, outdoor flexes being printed and installations and things like that. But, or a newspaper ad where, you get it designed from an ad agency and things like that. But how many people are reading it? What is the impact? Are people actually noticing your ad? All that measurability was not there. I think that change is something which is very, very interesting, that, today with the digital revolution, you can't just, see that your ad is being noticed by people, but you can also notice that how many people saw it, how many people got engaged to it, and how many people actually went and clicked that link, and there was a transaction or there was a revenue being spent on that. So I think that's a big revolution. From spray and pray, we are going precise, we are geo-targeting, we're trying to understand our consumer, and we started knowing our consumer, which was a big thing missing, at least in India, where we did not know who we were targeting. We were speculating that TV hai, ye audience ko cater karta hai, ye to gaon ki audience ko karta hai, ya films, Salman Khan fans only come from this area. But now we have things where we can measure and we can actually tabulate, which can only make our content bigger and better. And one day we're going to be, I'm hopefully making content which is bigger than Hollywood.
That's right. Rightly pointed out on this thing.